Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to transfer Gmail folders to another account. You can use the built-in Gmail import tool to automatically pull in your historical emails. So you got to go ahead and search for takeout.google.com. Again, takeout.google.com to transfer Gmail folders. Right? So what you're going to do, you're going to follow the on-screen instruction inside the Google Takeout. Right? Oh, first of all, you need to make sure that you logged in using your account, right? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just select the Google feature that you want to basically transfer. Hit next. And you could export once, right? Or every 2 months. And select, of course, the file type, just zip file, and then hit create export, right? So basically that's it. You can take all the data, all the information from many Google platforms, including Gmail, and import it onto or transfer it automatically using this zip file. So consider liking this video, subscribe, it really helps with the channel. Till next time, see you.